Hello, you are on the hook exercise of the DBQ and you would like to know how to complete this page by using your tools. First, let's read the directions. Directions. The word remarkable is fuzzy when it is used as a measuring stick. What do we mean when we say Willie made a remarkable catch in center field? Or that concert was the most remarkable I ever been to? Or it is pretty remarkable that Copernicus figured out that the Earth orbits around the Sun. Indeed, what exactly is it that makes each of these accomplishments remarkable? Below is a list of 8 human achievements. Next to each are 4 criteria for judging remarkableness. Your job is to select those 1 or 2 criteria that best explains why each achievement is remarkable. Criteria: scale equals to size. Genius equals brilliance or cutting edge thinking. Effort equals physical or mental effort. Significance equals the impact on society or the world. So here's our 8 achievements, and we have to fill in the boxes and put some type of check mark to indicate what makes that achievement remarkable. So you want to know how can we do that by using our tools? Well, in the top left hand corner, you have several tools that you can possibly use. I think the best one for this activity is the freehand tool. So you click the freehand tool and you can pick any color. It will allow you to draw on your page. Let's go with bricolage green. So when I look at achievement number 1, putting a man on the moon, I think about, did it have a big scale or size? Maybe. Did it require a lot of brilliance or cutting edge thinking? I believe so. Was it the physical or mental effort? When I imagine putting someone on the moon, I imagine it took a lot of physical and mental effort. And the significance, did it have an impact on the world? Well, it led us to continue to study the space and see what's out there. So I want to take my mouse, I'm going to click, I'm going to hold, and I'm going to make a little check mark in the effort and the significance box. All right. And as I look at the other achievements, I can go on and do the same thing. I only want to select maybe 1 or 2 criteria that best explains why this achievement was remarkable. Okay. I go through that kind of quickly, and then I look at task number 2. And before we look at task 2, you can also remove these marks as well. If you look at your menu, you have a little eraser in the bottom right hand corner. If you click it, you can click on your mark and it can be removed. All right. And you can kind of change your mind if you like to. Okay. Now you want to click stop drawing once you're done with the freehand because your mouse will no longer act as your pencil for you. All right. As you scroll down, you have one more task. It says task 2 of the 8 achievements listed above, which is the most remarkable. Be able to defend your answer in terms of the 4 listed criteria. In order to answer this test, you need to use your tools again. Click on the plain T. I don't want you to be confused by the T that's on this sticky note. I want you to click the T that's plain. A text box will appear on your screen. You will use this to type your answer for test 2. You have to use your mouse. You have to click and hold the text box. And you need to drag it right below the question in the blank spot so you can write your answer. You also have a small square at the corner of your text box. This will allow you to change the shape of your text box. Click it, hold it, and drag your mouse all the way to the right. Fill in that space, and you can also drag your mouse down to make your text box wider. Now you just have to click to type inside of it. Remember, we're working on restating. So if this question asks us, of the 8 achievements listed above, which is the most remarkable, we may want to start our sentence by saying, the most remarkable achievement listed above is, and tell me what you think. Maybe it was inventing the computer. Period. Okay. Your next sentences will tell me why. I want you to defend why that achievement is most remarkable using the criteria above. Okay. You can say something like building a computer requires a lot of mental effort. Okay, and we know effort is one of our criterias. Okay, so you want to defend your answer using the criteria above. If you picked another criteria, you can say that in your next sentence as well. Okay, and make sure you concluded your answer, and then it will be complete. We want to say, in conclusion, the most remarkable achievement listed above was, and you tell me whichever one you pick. Okay, for this simple example, we said inventing the computer. Let me know if you all have any questions, okay? See ya.